In this video, I am just talking you about the internet and the history of the internet. In 1965, the development of the computers were restarted and the engineers and the scientists were thinking about the internet and the communication. In 1969, the engineers and the scientists were developed the circuit switching. It is just like the communication tower where different phones were connected, and if anybody want to talk his friend, so he just go there and talk it easily. But it is very difficult for the operators, like they just put one wire from one phone to the another, and it is very difficult and hard. But the engineers were thinking about it betterment, so they think about it how send one message from one computer to the another computer. So they developed the alternative packet switching, where different commuters will send messages from the same set of wire instead of getting one. After a few times, it getting failed because the different commuters from the different countries were joined and it is not working correctly. After that, in 1973, Stanford became the official record keeper of everyone's addresses. After it, in 1980, the other programs were developed, but it is very difficult to connect with the other users because at the time the internet was not developed. In 1999, the two scientists' name was Tim Berners-Lee and the Robert Gurley was started for the betterment of the internet. As the result, in 1998, the hypertext was made and which we use for the link the web pages, which name as http slash slash. After the 90s, we were entered the modern age of the technology, where the home PCs were made and the supercomputer were used and many things were invented. And internet was become the most powerful thing in the modern age. We were easily can access the internet everywhere, and it is the requirement of everything like in our offices, hospitals, grocery stores. Everyone can need the internet. The programming were made the informative web pages and we can take the benefit easily from the internet access. So this is the best things is this that we can get easily informative things from the internet. Thanks for watching.